YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Freeze, back with another video, back with another banger. And we finna go get this mod on this Redeye, man. We finna make it 101. It's gonna be super tough. Had one of my partners hit me up, asked me if I want to do it. We set up the date. Today is the day. So, man, y'all stay tuned. I'll get back on here once I get over to his house. All right, y'all, we just made it. Got the cat pulled in. He finna start working on it. I'm finna flip this camera and show y'all his car real quick because his car is so hard, man. I'm gonna give y'all a full little detail walk around of it real quick. All right, man, this is a 5.7. It was originally narrow body and graphite gray. He did all this himself. He did the wrap, the wide body kit, the wheels. He got lighting trims in the front. He did all that. All this right here. He did that himself. He does lights. I'll drop his Instagram in the description below, and so y'all can come get y'all work done. He had an Arkansas, man. He, like I said, he did the wrap. He did the wide body kit. Did the wheels. All that, man. It's tough one. He got starlight on the inside. Got the carbon fiber wrap on the top. The wicker build. Y'all see it, man. Got the Corsa exhaust. He got the F1 style bumper right here. Then it's always the small things in the detail with the wrap. Y'all see that embossed right there, like it's embroidered? Man, tough. Here goes Instagram right here too. His main Instagram, but he also has like a lighting Instagram where he does all his lights. Y'all see we got the big cat pulled in right there. But y'all see that mud, man. It's tough. I'm gonna let y'all know and show y'all what I'm getting done once he start the process. But I'm just getting it ready right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm just showing y'all everything. Hey, we finna have a 101 Redeye in Arkansas, man. Y'all see, got this side in. Got that side in. Starting over here on this side. Just taking out the line in real quick, but see, you got that side in. Ain't taking no time for real. And we gonna show y'all the results after, man. All right, here's the finished result. Y'all can see that in a day. It's crazy, man. That is crazy. Got the red out in there. Going crazy. Got the hook up with the side marker, so it come on when the car come on both sides. I'm gonna walk over here to the other side. See, on the other side is lit up too. We're finna go spray the car off. Get this thing looking like a piece of glass. Then we gonna go take some pictures and videos for Instagram and TikTok, man. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Good content, man. All right, y'all, we done made it home. Went out and got some content with some other guys, some of the crew. Getting past the scatty real quick. I see the big scat pack. It's dirty though. Man, all the dust from the tailgate at Memorial. But I'll show y'all one more time. Here in the garage. Y'all see the interior on the cat too. The peanut butter insides, y'all ain't seen that. Show y'all one more time though, before I end out the video. Y'all see it, man. It look even better at night. Y'all see it. That red eye on the cat, man. Red on the cat. Go over here to this side. Red on both sides, man. Like, we super tough. Scat pack and a Redeye, man. 101, making a 101 Redeye, I'm telling y'all. We're gonna have it real tough out here, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Keep subscribing, keep liking, sharing, all that good stuff, man. You never know, we might start building this one again too. But we for sure finna make this on 101. It kinda already is, already one-on-one. But I'm just telling you, we're gonna make this mug one-on-one. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, share, comment. Go follow on Instagram. And definitely go follow on my TikTok because I'm almost at 10K. Hey, till next time, Freeze Gang. Stay up.